So when we get to take, what are we doing? Well, we should have everything. Everything should be ready for us when we're at the take section. We need to, and we're needing to go through the checklist of take. So what is the checklist of take? Again, if we're looking at video, um, video, multimedia, product, audio, video, multimedia, product, audio, that we should one at a time be able to go upload video, paste, upload video, paste, take it through, right? Upload, schedule. Um, multimedia, um, upload, paste, schedule, right? We're in this kind of upload, paste, schedule, right? Upload, paste, schedule, upload, paste, schedule. When we get over to product, it's more like upload, paste, save. Upload, paste, save, upload, paste, save. Yeah, I guess we can do, yeah, we're doing, and I guess the difference would be that in video, it's just a video. In video, it's just a video. In multimedia, um, it's a little bit more complicated. In video, it's just a video and a paste. In video, it's a title and a body and some tags and a paste and some things. And then in multimedia, yeah, title, put it there, tags as well. Schedule it out. Product, again, it's doot. We want the yeah, we want the dual content contrast. And if we do these one at a time, boom, 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 it's kind of like boom, 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 socials, 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 all the way for the full extent of that project. When we're saying take, it's like, here you go, 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 here you go. And so we're launching out essentially, launching out 80 pieces of content. on the 3rd and 7th of on the 3rd and 7th. And if we're doing take, then we're putting out 320 pieces of content. How realistic is that? That's a lot. That's a lot of work. 320 pieces. But there's a certain amount of, I think, that we can really, on a meta level, before we go back to granular. That's really powerful. To be that contributory, to be that contributive, to be essentially like, hey world, I want to share this with you, and I will share this with you, and I am sharing this with you, and I'm sharing it, I'm spreading it wide. I'm taking this and I'm spreading it wide. I'm giving it to you over here, over here, over here, over here, and I hope that it serves you and benefits you in some way. And in most capacities, it's free. So if it does benefit you, even just like a modicum, awesome, it's free. And in those unique channels where the listener, the watcher, the listener, the audience, the fan, the follower, the friend, the neighbor, the companion, the villager, the citizen, the person, the community member, they care enough to actually contribute, to say, yeah, I want to support you. You offered me value. You care about this. I want to pay you for your product, for your service. That's great. It's a wonderful balance out there in that world where you'll have people who just kind of enjoy the content for free, and those who are willing to pay for it. And rewinding back from that tangent and going back to the granular, each one of these kind of upload, paste, submit cycles has a holiness to it, has a reverence to it, and it's important to remember. And I think that if on those days, on the 3rd and the 7th, if you entrain that, if you like really recognize, oh wow, by going boop boop bop, by going boop boop bop, I'm connecting with humans all over the world. And then by going boop boop bop, connecting boop boop bop, every one of the boop boop bops is a connecting out there. And when you go boop boop bop, sending out a video, boop boop bop, sending out the audio, boop boop bop, sending out the video, boop boop bop, sending out the multimedia, boop boop bop, sending out the product. Or to be more accurate, it's boop boop bop, saving that segment of the product, boop boop bop, saving that segment of the distribution. But when we do the final, with the video multimedia, we're doing the individual submissions, right? But when we get to the point of the product, when we hit publish, we're putting this gift out into the world. And with distribution, when we hit publish, we are also putting this gift out into the world. So I'll talk more now about the nuance, the granular nuances of the take process. But that's the main overview.